Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Meta Business Manager account. Let's get started. So, once you reach your web browser, the first thing that you need to do is you need to go to the top of the screen, and then you need to click on the search bar. After clicking on the search bar, you will type in business.facebook.com and then press enter. After pressing enter, you'll be greeted by this page which says Meta. Let's get started with business tools from Meta. So next thing that you need to do is you need to scroll down a bit, and then you'll see an option which says create an account. So you're going to click on that. You will then be greeted by this page which says Meta Business Suite, login, create account. So in this page, what you need to do next is you need to log into your normal Facebook account, which is the account that you usually use on a daily basis. So in my case, I'm going to use my email address and then add in my password and then press login. After doing so, it'll say, let's get started with business tools from Meta. And then you see an option which says create an account. So you're going to click on that. Next, it'll say create your business portfolio in Business Manager. So here you need to come up with the name for your business. So in my case, I'm just going to say Teespring Afternoon. And my name, Jacob Stalin. Okay. And then here, your business email address. I'm going to use another example, teespringafternoon@gmail.com. After doing that, you're going to press submit. Now it says Teespring Afternoon has been created. So what's going to happen now is Facebook is going to send you a link in your email address, which asks you to confirm your email address to be able to access your business account. So you're going to press done. So this is my Facebook business page. And don't worry, if you created a business account and you still see your Facebook page over here, I'm going to show you how to access your business account. So the next thing that you need to do is you need to go to the left side of the screen, and then you'll see an upside down triangle. You're going to click on it. After clicking on it, it'll say the business name, the one that you own. So in my case, it's Teespring Afternoon. So you're going to click on it. After clicking on that, you will then be greeted by this page which says Meta Business Suite, Teespring Afternoon. This place, it'll be the name of your account. So what you need to do next is you need to go to the bottom left corner and press settings. After clicking on settings, it'll say your business name, settings, people. So let's say you want to add people to your business account. So the next thing that you need to do is you need to go to the right side of the screen and press invite people. After doing so, it'll say invite people, add people, enter email address. So you're going to add in the email address of the person that you want to invite. So here I chose an example@gmail.com, and you're going to press next. So then it'll say partial access, assigned access, and full control. So here on this part of the page, it'll ask you how many permissions do you want to give the person that you're inviting. So let's say you want to give them full control, and you're going to press next. After doing so, it'll say review invitation and done. And then you're going to press next. So after pressing partners, it'll say your business name doesn't work with any partners. Partner to share assets with, give them permission to work on your assets so that they can help you manage pages or ads. So if you want to add a partner in your page or account, you're going to have to get their business ID. So you're going to click on add. And as you can see here, it needs a partner business ID. So you press cancel, and what you need to do is you need to go to the left side of the page and then scroll down, and you'll see something which says business portfolio. So after pressing business portfolio, you're going to be greeted by this page which says business information, and it's going to say your business name, business manager ID, and you're going to have a series of numbers. So what you need to do here is you need to copy these numbers. After copying these numbers, you will scroll back up, and you're going to go back to partners. So after pressing partners, you're going to press add, and then partner business ID, you're going to press or paste. You've entered your own ID, yes, but I'm just showing you an example of how it should work. So you're going to get your partner's business ID and then paste it there. Next thing, I'm going to show you how to make an ad account. So you're going to press Add Accounts. After pressing Add Accounts, you're going to click on Add plus Add. After clicking on plus Add, you're going to press Create a new ad account. Manage ads for your business, brand, or organization. After doing so, it'll say Add Account Name. So I'm going to use an example. I'll type in example. After that, you're going to press Next. Are you sure that you want to continue? After doing so, you're going to go below Ad Account Access, and you're going to press this little box, which shows that I agree to Meta Terms of Service and Advertiser Policies, and then you're going to click on Create Ad Account. Next thing I'm going to show you is how to create a new page. So you're going to click on Pages. So after pressing on Pages, you're going to go to the right side of the screen, and you're going to see something that says plus Add. So you're going to click on that as well. So after clicking on that, you go to the bottom and it's going to say create a new Facebook page with the plus icon. So you're going to click on that as well. After doing so, how do you want to describe the page? You're going to add in a page name. I'm going to use an example. So example, and then category. So let's say art, visual arts, bio. So you're going to add in a bio over here. It's optional. You don't have to do it, but you can if you want to. And then you're going to press Next. After pressing Next, are you sure that you want to continue? You're going to press the little box over here. I agree to Meta Terms of Service and Pages, and then create page. And there you have it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free, and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.